Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett Me, and today I'm doing another product I didn't think I'd be able to find any of in retail. The 2020-21 Merlin Soccer, the Champions League and Europa League. But yeah, it's Topps product that Merlin, which is like say their England release product. But they brought it back this year for soccer. Uh, but yeah, so I was able to find this at a Fred Meyer, of all places. I know Walmart supposedly has had it, as well as some Targets, but around me, my Walmarts and Targets are pretty much non-existent for cards. So yeah, this has got 7 packs, 4 cards a pack, plus the bonus 3-card Aqua Prism pack. So like it says here, you get 31 total cards. I don't know why they don't just make it an even 32, but I guess that's their interesting way of doing things for Topps. But yeah, so we'll get into it here. Kind of curious to see how it looks. There's your Aqua Prism pack. I mean, I have seen other people breaking it and stuff, and I kind of like the looks of it. It's kind of interesting considering Topps has been doing Chrome cards since the mid-90s, yet these ones are probably some of the best looking Chrome cards that they have done as far as all these different soccer releases, Formula One, because for the most part they're not even done here in the States, they're done over in Italy, and I don't know if that's the case with this or not. I was looking to see if it said where it was printed, but I can't tell. Anyway, we start off with a Kenneth Taylor rookie card, a Kevin De Bruyne, and I'll probably have trouble with some of these names because, again, I don't really watch soccer, not European anyway. MLS I do watch some of. Ander Barantexa, or Texia, Jamal Masala. So it's just 4 base in that pack. Looks like I got an insert here. Got a Victor Osman, Dea Upon. I'm not even going to pronounce it. Dayat Yu, Billy Gilmore, rookie card. And our Alchemy. That's kind of cool the way the backs are. And I'm going to just go on a limb and say it's Wesley Sneijder. But nice looking. Next pack. Sandro Tonali, Yori Talisman, Bukayo Saka in our refractor, Felix. I don't know if you pronounce his name. Just J-O, Juahu. Next pack. Moving quick. Jurian Timber, sorry. Marcos Antonio, rookie card, a Nico Williams rookie, and a Mitchell Baker rookie. Or maybe it's pronounced Backer, since there's two Ks, but who knows? Reiner Jesus, rookie. Eduardo Camavinga, rookie. Merlin Soccer, rookie. And Christian Pulisic. Like I said, those just, there's something about the way they feel compared to regular chrome. There's literally no curvature to the cardstock at all. I mean, it is dead flat. Another refractor, probably an insert. Alexis Sallymakers. Brendan Aronson. Gabriel Martinelli, rookie. No, it's a rookie. Mitchell Backer. So last chance for an actual numbered card, or an autograph, or an insert, anything at all. Sergio Dest, Noah Lang, Weston McKennie, and an under 23 Harvey Barnes insert. So no numbered cards. And this here is just going to be all the Aqua Prisms. Nicola Zaniolo. Oh, Halad. That's a name I know. Erling Halad. And a Sandro Tonali. So I would say the Halad would be the big hit of this blaster box. We'll sleeve up the other two and then do a quick recap, such as it is. So I guess our notables were the refractors of Mitchell Backer, Felix, our Alchemy insert, and our under 23 insert, and then our 3 Aqua Prisms, Nicolo Zaniolo, Sandro Tonali, and Erling Halad. So yeah, that concludes this break of 2020-21 Merlin Soccer. Hope you all have a great rest of your Sunday, and as always, keep collecting.